Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install, how to activate and add breadcrumbs in WordPress Elementor. So first of all, you want to go ahead to the plugin section and add a new plugin on your WordPress dashboard. And from here, we want to go ahead and search for a Rank Math SEO plugin. It's this one. Now we want to install it and activate it. Now you will need to connect your account. Now what you want to do is go ahead to the dashboard and scroll down until you see schema structured and you want to enable it. So it's already enabled, but let's enable it once again. And now on general settings right there, you will see the breadcrumbs. If you don't see it, make sure to reset options. There will be a link which says reset options, so you want to click on this and then the breadcrumbs will be available. Now to enable breadcrumbs, but since my theme has added the support for rank math breadcrumbs using this, I need to change it. But basically, you can also choose a separator character, edit all of these options, hide post title, and so on and so forth. Then save the changes and add the breadcrumb code. I have already been added. My code was already added by my theme. But basically what you need to do is go ahead to one of your posts and add this code right there on Elementor. So here you want to go ahead and add a container somewhere here. Let's add one here. And just like so, you want to find HTML, enter it right there. And basically it will, as you can see, there's already breadcrumbs right there. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.